Right, good afternoon everyone. Now I've got 4 kits here that are on sale, and just in case you've not seen them, because not everybody looks, you basically just have to type the kit in and these kits will come up. But this is the patch kit, this is the cluster patch. This one, where is it? This, no, sorry, the other 3 have been reduced. This is the last one of this sort, and you know the patch I made with all the different flowers on it, the big patch, the round one. Well, that's what this one is, and there's enough in here to do a beautiful patch, and it's a turquoise colour. So you've got the satin material, you've got the blue ribbon, this for the leaves, plus I've cut some leaves for you made of a fabric, obviously. You've got the white ribbon to make the flowers. You make all the flowers individually, but these are handmade and I have put those in as well. So you have a cream and a blue one there. You've got the blue lace. You've got all the little bits to cut and put around the edging, you know, so that you can have a little bit of lace and whatnot. So you've all those little appliques as well, another leaf there. I've also put this lot in, which are some cream feathers, so you can add cream feather to it. You've got the light blue and the darker blue should I say. There's 2 lots of the darker blue to make your flowers, you know, just stitch your flowers like I show you. You've got some roses, which are the foam roses, but they've got fabric, spotty fabric on. You've got this fabric as well, because you can cut those into circles and make different flowers. So you've got that. Then you've got this lace, which you can either make into a flower or add all around the edge of your patch. You know, obviously it's up to you. And then I've popped this one in so you can make that into a flower as well. Or do whatever you like with it. You don't even have to add it to your project. So you've got that, and then on top of that, let's just put that to one side, leave this here. I've put you in some beads, seed beads, a mixture. You've got some like a bronzy colour to give it, so if you want to do the middle of your flower and hand stitch some little beads in, you've got a little tub of those. You've got some stamen for a flower. You've got some of the acrylic flower trim. You've the glittered rose. You've some beautiful, beautiful beads and crystals in here. Plus you've some dangly ones as well. You know, you've got quite a few beads and bling bits in there. You've got another one of those that you can stitch on. One of those that you can, it had a sticky back on it, so you can do that. Another crystal. Some of these pearly ones. You've got another one of those. I think there's another one as well. One of the others has got one on, I think. Oh, let me see. No. Oh, and I meant to put some of these in as well. So I'm going to put you 1, 2, 3 of the teardrop, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, 8. You've got 8 of those as well, and they're the ones like the rice bead. But then you've all these to make something as well, including the large one to make a tassel from it, and some more crystals and some more beads. So you have all of that, and that is £7 plus shipping. So if you want that, tell me on here, and that's what you'll have to. It's £7, £3.45 for the UK, and there won't be £8.50 for overseas. But because it's a standard charge, you will get charged that, but I will refund the difference. I will let you, you know, it'll probably be half that to ship to abroad, because it's just lightweight. So, and I can't alter, if I can alter the shipping, I will do, to make sure that you don't pay any more than what you should. But if you do get charged, because it's a new website, so I'm not sure how to do everything on it just yet. And I heard from an old timer, Kathy Courtney, She hasn't been on for a while, so she couldn't find us. If any of you is having problems looking for us, or you know of anybody, please let them know where we are. Because I just find it... I think it's ironic how I'm getting people asking where have I been. I haven't been anywhere. I've always been here. Yet people are still asking, where are you? Where did you go? I was told you closed down. I haven't closed down at all. YouTube might want me to close down, but I'm not going anywhere. You know, Google and YouTube. But no, I'm still here. So I will sort all of that out and it will be packed properly. But for now, I'm just going to put that in there. So that is the turquoise patch, cluster patch kits. So if you want that, you'll have to say you want it on this video and I will invoice you. You'll have, if you haven't already joined the shop, which it doesn't cost you anything to join, then run along to the shop, join the shop so you're on the mailing list, and then I'll have your email from there to be able to invoice you. The green kit, let me just show you the green kit. It's the last one, and you get that beautiful picture on a canvas. And I don't want to unpack it because it's got... there's all sorts in this one, and the green kit was £20 and it's on sale for £16. So grab it while you can, because I already reduced it. I'm not going to reduce it again. This is the last time these kits will get reduced. You know, I mean, these are the last of the kits. We sold dozens and dozens and dozens of them. So we're getting the I don't really want to take it out, but it's chocker, absolutely chocker. With goodies, fabrics, materials, laces, you know, and all that sort of stuff. There is loads in it. I know a lot of people don't know about our kits, but those who do, we've had fantastic feedback on these. Fantastic. But I'm just not going to lower the prices anymore for the last ones. And there's a big bag of goodies. There's several bags of goodies in there, actually. There's others in there. There's lots and lots of... I'll just show you those anyway. I'm just not going to reduce them. I can't afford to give away my goods. So if you want them, you'll have to buy them. There's stick pins, beads, loads and loads of different things. Allabone, bling, lots of things in there to play around with. Lots. But anyway, like I say, you can see it's packed. We do really well on kits. Since COVID, we've done less, but we still sell quite a few. It's not that they're left on the shelf. That was the very last one that I found the other day, so that needs to go. And that was 20. It's now gone to 16. So you're grabbing a bargain there. We have only got 3 of these left, which are the padded wall hanging. Now I'll show you, that's what it is. So it's that particular wall hanging. And you've more than enough to do at least 2 of them in this kit. At least. There's loads. You've loads of goodies in there. Stick pins, you've all the bling. You've the padding. You've got another bag full of goodies, a bag full of goodies there, bag full of goodies there. Then you've got the picture there. Loads. Absolutely loads. It's chocker, this one. And yeah, so that one was the wall hanging, and that was £20. It's gone down to £18. Not doing them for any less. It will not go down again, so don't be waiting for it. If you want it, grab it. That's that one. And the last one is this one, which is the tag, stick pin tag. You've everything in there to make your box, because this is a box. Your stick pins, all the background, it's all in there for you to play around with and do. I've got the video on how to do it, so you can follow the video. The only thing you have to do is use your own colour. But that's to put in. You cover the box, that in a box. You've all your trimmings, lots of goodies, and yeah, that's the stick pin book, stick pin tag. And like I say, the stick pin tag was £12. Not going to reduce it anymore. You've more than enough in there. You've lots and lots, and it's all top quality goodies. So I think with about 4 of those, I found some more in a box. I don't know how they got into a box. I've no idea. But I remember putting out that they'd sold out. So, and I found 4 in a box. 3 of those left, and that's the last one of those. So if you want them, grab them at them prices. And don't forget, the patch kit you can buy from this video. The rest of them, go to the shop. They're on the shop. That's it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye-bye for now.